Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage affiliate marketing with eBay, full guide step by step clearly. First, create an eBay account if you don't have one. Visit the eBay homepage and click on register at the top. Fill in the required details to complete your account setup. Next, join the eBay Partner Network. Go to the eBay Partner Network website and click on Join Now. Complete the application form with your details and website information. Once approved, you will gain access to your affiliate dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available. Now, start selecting products to promote. Use the eBay search bar to find items that are relevant to your niche. Analyze the product listings and select those with good ratings and sales history. Copy the unique affiliate links for the products you choose. You can then create engaging content around those products. Consider writing a blog post, making a video, or using social media to promote the items. When creating content, focus on the product's features and benefits. Encourage your audience to click on your affiliate links. Track your performance through the eBay Partner Network dashboard. Monitor clicks, sales, and commissions to see what works best. Adjust your strategy based on your performance analytics. Consider diversifying your promotional methods. Experiment with different platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, or email marketing. Stay updated on eBay's policies and restrictions regarding affiliate marketing. Regularly review your affiliate links to ensure they're working correctly. Engage with your audience to build trust and credibility. Respond to questions or concerns they may have about the products. Lastly, continue learning through resources and communities focused on affiliate marketing. This will help you stay ahead in managing your affiliate marketing efforts effectively with eBay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.